Hello there, and thank you for watching Wood, Nail and Hammer. And clamps. Yes, I recently bought 4 F clamps and it's the first time I'm trying these. Very reasonable price for a very reasonable quality, but one clamp already failed on the first use. I did consider returning it for an exchange, but then I thought I might as well make a little video to share on how to save the day from failing clamps. But first, why do they fail? The sliding arm moves up or down the flat bar to the desired position, and as the screw is tightened, the sliding arm locks at an angle to prevent it from moving. When the hole of the sliding arm gets worn out, it cannot lock and then the clamp fails. Perhaps I was just a lucky one to buy a clamp that failed, or perhaps I just didn't know how to tighten them correctly. So just before we get into my little experiment, I will show you how to tighten them correctly. If you pull the handle away from the flat bar like this, you will notice the sliding arm keeps moving until the screw reaches the end, but it doesn't clamp the workpiece. If you push the handle towards the flat bar while tightening the screw, it will angle the sliding arm correctly to lock and clamp the workpiece. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to drill some peg holes in the bar. For all the milli woodworkers out there, this clamp's capacity is 300mm and the screw length is 30mm. The holes will be 25mm apart. For all the inchy woodworkers out there, the clamping capacity is 12 inches and the holes will be 1 inch apart. The screw length is 1.181 inch, according to Google. Sorry people, I'm not an inchy woodworker. I Google. I'm using a 2mm drill bit to make some pilot holes, and then I'm following with a 5mm drill bit. I will then be using an M6 tab to make some thread for a 6mm bolt. So I will still be able to use this clamp by pushing the handle towards the flat bar. But when there's a need for extra support, I can simply add the bolt, and then it doesn't matter in which direction the handle is pushed or pulled. It will clamp. If you don't have a tap and die set, you can just drill 6mm holes and use a bolt and nut from both sides. Just be sure to tighten the nut properly, or you can simply make a peg attached to a chain. That should also work. Thank you for watching, and please consider supporting my channel by subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting, and have a beautiful day.